Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord, Michigan. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Monday, May 13th, 2013. As we take a look at the hazardous weather highlights, we do have thunderstorms possible. That'll occur pretty much anywhere in northern Michigan, although I think the farther south you go, the more likelihood you could get into some stronger storms. Won't call them severe. The impacts are that we could get hail and gusty winds out of these thunderstorms, possibly, and that would be Tuesday night and Wednesday night. Otherwise, we do also have elevated fire danger for northern Michigan, mainly Wednesday afternoon. Some very warm temperatures come in with some dry, gusty winds, and that's going to just kick up the ability for Mother Nature to be able to sustain any wildfires that get going out there. So just be careful on burning on Wednesday afternoon. Otherwise, we'll take a look at the current weather map with high pressure over the area that has slowly pushed out the moisture. Although you see that area of rain just off to the west in Minnesota, and that is going to head over towards our area here overnight. We're going to get some scattered showers through here. And before that happens, northeast lower Michigan will drop down just right around freezing, so that there are going to be patchy frost going on, like over near Alpena, down towards Oscoda, those areas, especially during the overnight hours. Then by Tuesday evening, then the warm front's going to come up through the area. Tuesday's going to be a fairly decent day with warmer temperatures, and then the warm front comes up. We're going to get some rain showers, and then eventually thunderstorms as that low pressure system kind of drops down into our area, and that's going to be mainly overnight into Wednesday morning. By Wednesday evening, then that storm system is completely off to the east and northeast, and then high pressure starts to build into the Great Lakes right after that, and that's going to dry us out quite a bit, and the winds will be kicking up, so that's when we have our hazards, our elevated fire danger. As we talk about, we do have the severe weather outlook. As mentioned yesterday in the afternoon briefing, we had thunderstorms expected here in the upper Great Lakes, and we see that C text over the map, and this is the thing that we're going to watch out for, is that there could be isolated storms that could be severe with hail and gusty winds and things like that. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that as it comes through. As we've been taking a look at this, it looks like it could be a little bit more towards the south where we could see the majority of the stuff, but until the storm system actually starts to get into our area, then we won't really know exactly how bad any of these storms are going to get. Although we are going to get a pretty decent little bit of rain out of this as well. So to sum this all up, we do have warmer weather on the way for the week. Still a few chances for rain late tonight. Those scattered showers are going to come through, and again then on Tuesday night with the thunderstorms. Patchy frost will be around in northeast lower late tonight into early tomorrow morning, just before the rain showers come through here. So just watch out for those areas. But as far as the hazardous outlook, just watch out. Those thunderstorms could produce some hail on Tuesday night and Wednesday. We do have additional chances for thunderstorms next weekend coming up, so that'll be something else to watch. And then we do have the fire danger that's coming up on Wednesday afternoon. And as we've been messing around a little bit with what could happen on Thursday with some of the drier air, that is also a possibility, at least down near the Mayo area again on that day. Thanks for listening into the hazardous weather briefing. The next one will be issued somewhere around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you have any other questions, please feel free to either ask us on Facebook or Twitter, as well as, and you can also go over to our webpage at weather.gov/Gaylord and find all sorts of interesting things there. Thanks for listening.